Yes, honey?
Dad told me that Cheerios is good for your heart. Is that true?
Says here that Cheerios has whole grain oats that can help remove some cholesterol, and that's our
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a flash flood warning for western Allegheny County in western New York, western Wyoming County in western New York, Cattaraugus County in western New York, eastern Erie County in western New York, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Olean, Boston, East Aurora, Salamanca, Springville, Elma Center, Town Line and St. Bonaventure. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, costing you thousands of dollars in repairs. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice: turn around, don't drown. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. A flash flood warning is issued for rapid and potentially life-threatening flooding. If you are in the warned area, avoid flooded roads and obey road closures. Those near small streams must head for higher ground immediately.
Start healthy.
Jan?